Thanks for staying tuned to WION. I'm Samiksha Srivastava, tracking all the top stories over the next half an hour. First, a quick check, as always, of the headlines. Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney and Chinese President Xi Jinping begin talks in Beijing, marking first meet between the two leaders in 8 years, hailed by both sides as potential turning point in strained relations. President Donald Trump threatens to invoke Insurrection Act to deploy military forces in Minnesota after days of angry protests over a surge in immigration agents on the streets of Minneapolis. Denmark's foreign minister rejects any US acquisition of Greenland, calling it an infringement on sovereignty after the White House says European military mission to Arctic island has no effect on Trump's territorial ambitions.
Any act of aggression, direct or indirect, will be met with a decisive, proportionate and lawful response.
Iran's deputy UN ambassador says Tehran does not seek escalation and wants any aggression will be met with a proportionate response, while accusing US ambassador of spreading false information to conceal America's role in unrest across Iran.
Presented the President of the United States the medal of the Nobel Peace Prize.
President Donald Trump praises Venezuelan opposition leader Maria Corina Machado after she presents him with Nobel Peace Prize during White House meet, calls her a wonderful woman and the gesture one of mutual respect. Cuba pays tribute to 32 soldiers killed in US military strike that ousted Venezuelan leader Nicolas Maduro in a ceremony attended by revolutionary leader Raúl Castro.
Vienen en la sangre de los cubanos que así
todos los grados han llegado.
.300 firefighters and 85 fire trucks deployed to tackle major fire in Seoul's Gangnam district. 47 residents evacuated. Authorities raise alert due to concerns the fire could spread. No casualties reported for now. Russia's oil and gas revenues fall to a 5-year low, down 24% to $108 billion. Sanctions, lower fuel prices and Ukrainian attacks are straining Moscow's budget, though it still sells energy to China, India and Turkey. Barcelona avoid an upset a day after Real Madrid faltered in Copa del Rey. The holders scored 2 second-half goals to edge past second division leader Racing Santander to reach the quarterfinals.